tonight I'm going to be doing my favourite Yorkshire pudding recipe. To begin, you want to add your 70 grams of flour, your 2 eggs, and give it a good whisk. Once it starts to combine, you can slowly add your milk. There I've used 100 ml of soya milk. You can use any milk that you prefer. I'm then going to add a dash of white pepper and an optional pinch of salt. Once it's the right consistency and there's no lumps remaining, I like to put mine into the fridge, but you can also put it straight into the oven. In your Yorkshire pudding pan, add a drizzle of oil in each hole. I'm using sunflower oil, but you can use groundnut, olive oil, or even rapeseed oil. Swirl it round so it's even. It will even out in the oven. On gas mark 8, you're going to put the oil in for 5 to 10 minutes until it's sizzling hot. In about 5-10 minutes, I'm going to take the oil out of the oven. Make sure you close that oven to keep the heat in. And now you have to work quick here. So pour the Yorkshire mixture into each hole. Now depending how much mix you use in each hole, it can make from 10 to 12, or you can make less for bigger Yorkshires. So we're going to pop it into the oven for 20 minutes. The key here is to not open the oven at all for the next 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them so they don't burn, otherwise they won't rise. So it's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to check how our Yorkshires are going. Wow, look at them. I'm impressed every time. Beautiful.